working hard, 9 to 5, 2 jobs to survive. She's my supermodel.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. This week's video, I want to share a review of this Spa Room Boho Mist oil diffuser. You guys may know that oil diffusers are good to help your room smell good. This one is a pretty small one. It's set for a small size room. It gives you some instructions for use. Pretty simple, just 3 steps to get it started. This is my first time using a oil diffuser, so I was like, let me show you guys how to set it up and give you an honest opinion, as always, on this diffuser. So I got 2 essential oils from TJ Maxx. I got the diffuser from TJ Maxx as well. So this is a citrus blend and the elderberry. I love essential oils just for a lot of the health benefits. So I was like, let me try this diffuser. Haven't seen a lot of reviews on YouTube, so I wanted to share. So it comes with this, I guess, power cord, if you will. It's a USB, so doesn't come with a block, so you can't necessarily put it into a wall. You have to have the wall piece, or you have to have a USB outlet to be able to plug it in, but you definitely need that to charge it. It's super cute. It's small, but I love this wooden straw basket type of theme. That's where you plug in the other part of the USB. It's super cute, so it's decorative, so they have a lot of cute diffusers out there. The diffuser was actually $19.99 from TJ Maxx. Love, love, love TJ Maxx and Home Goods. If you haven't seen my Home Goods haul or shop with me, I'll link it so you guys can check that out. Always cute and affordable quality things. So this is the piece inside of the diffuser, where you fill it up with water and the essential oils of your choice. So it gives you the, depending on which diffuser you get, it'll tell you how much water, how much essential oil you should put in. So it took a second to kind of review the instructions, because this was my first time using it. So I plugged in the cord, the power cord. Like I said, I had to use like my iPhone block to be able to plug it into the wall. And I added some water and the essential oils. So this is my iPhone block. It sucks that it didn't come with, a power, the piece that actually goes into the wall, because I feel like, that's such an inconvenience. So that's definitely one point, or, one thing to think about when you're getting certain types of diffusers, seeing if they have the part that goes into the wall. So you have to plug it in so it gets all charged up, because it doesn't come charged, it comes dead. Okay, so I ended up pouring the water in, and it only told me to add like 2 to 3 drops of the essential oils, but because I like my rooms to smell like super good, I just kind of like OD'd and went in with the essential oils, which you'll see in a second. I wasn't sure which one I wanted to try first, so I picked the citrus blend, because I wanted the room to kind of smell like this fruity, just kind of like a fruity scent. So I put the water in, and then I added some drops. Like I said, I didn't do 2 to 3 drops. I kind of just went for maybe like 10 drops I put in. And you saw the drops were coming out pretty fast, so then I went in with another one. So then you just close it back up. Once you put the water and the oil in, you just close, put the outside piece back on, and then, I had to look through the instructions again just to make sure I wasn't missing any steps. Even though it's super easy and it looks super easy without instructions, I had to look at the instructions, so it lets you know how many times to push the button based on what you want. Like if you want it to be a continuous mist, if you want it to be, intermittent, etc. So plugged it in, and it's so cute. I did not expect this light, but that's the little power button. It's so cute. I think it's a cute touch. it's a super small. I mean, for a small room, so it definitely means that. So I will put this like in a small bathroom or something, but definitely not in like a large living room because you won't get the full effect of the scent. But overall, I think this is a cute home decor piece to really help your small space or small room, small office, bathroom to smell good. Hope you guys like this video. Leave a comment below and make sure you subscribe to my channel if you are not already. I will see you guys in the next video.